Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today in this quick video I will show you how to withdraw money from TradeStation. So guys, let's get started. You make sure guys before withdraw money you have bank transfer to withdraw funds, and in most cases you can get your money back within 1 days for withdraw option and with charge fee $0. Basically guys, withdraw bits on method many costs. So guys, open your TradeStation account, and from here you find option to transfer cash. After linking your bank account with TradeStation, just click this option transfer cash, and you have also this option smart transfer, or you have transfer account. Just click this option guys, smart transfer, to withdraw your money without any problems. So guys, I hope this video for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video, and make sure guys you can use only bank to transfer withdraw funds. So thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.